Welcome to my channel. Today, you're about to step into something that redefines not just luxury travel, but the entire meaning of mobile living. What you're about to see isn't a bus, isn't a van, definitely not your average RV. This is a $9 million double floor, fully customized Mercedes-Benz motorhome that feels more like a flying hotel than a vehicle. From the outside, it looks like something straight out of the future's sleek aerodynamic design, 60-foot frame, fingerprint entry, and yes, even solar wings that extend out like aircraft panels. But it's when you walk inside that your mind really gets blown. You enter into a grand foyer, yes. A foyer in an RV with Italian marble flooring, crystal ambient lighting, and a real staircase leading up to the second level. Not a ladder, a staircase. This is not a joke. On the first level, you've got a fully automated living area featuring AI-controlled lighting and climate zones. The walls, they're made of touch-sensitive smart glass that transitions from transparent to blackout with just one swipe. The couches adjust automatically to your posture. And there's a 75-inch retractable old screen that rises out of the floor like magic. Let's move into the kitchen, which honestly puts most apartment kitchens to shame. Imported German appliances, dual wine fridges, an induction cooktop with touch controls, and a self-cleaning oven. Yes, even the dishes are handled by the RV's built-in robotic dishwasher arm. Then there's the master bedroom. King-size memory foam bed with massage and temperature control. 360-degree panoramic windows with remote blackout curtains. And oh, did I mention the ceiling turns into a starlight simulation system? Basically, you're sleeping under the stars, even when you're parked underground. And if you thought that was impressive, let's take the stairs up to level 2. The second floor features a glass-walled rooftop lounge with a minibar, a cinema-grade projector setup, and even a retractable jacuzzi. That's right, a jacuzzi on the roof of an RV. You're literally soaking under the stars. While streaming Netflix in 8K, there's also a private office space with 5G satellite internet, a luxury spa bathroom with gold fixtures, and a small walk-in closet because of course why not? Safety and mobility-wise, the RV runs on a hybrid electric engine system that offers over 800 miles of range. It parks itself, has 360-degree drone surveillance, and even includes a fold-out garage for your electric scooter or Mercedes Maybach tow vehicle. This isn't just an RVAT, a moving, smart home, luxury hotel, and private jet all in one. It's not made for everyone, but for the few who can afford it. This $9 million masterpiece offers something no mansion or jet ever could. Freedom with 5-star comfort. If you enjoyed this insane tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More unreal machines coming your way soon. NMR2. What if I told you the most luxurious 2-floor RV of 2026 isn't a Mercedes, isn't a Rolls-Royce? It's a Kenworth W900. And no, we're not talking about a typical sleeper cab with some added features. This beast is a complete transformation. A rolling 5-star resort. Built on the bones of one of the most iconic American trucks ever made. Stick around, because this 18-wheeled masterpiece has a hidden supercar garage, a rooftop jacuzzi, and an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. Let's talk exterior first. From the outside, the W900's bold chrome grille and stretched body remain intact. But that's where the familiar ends. The chassis has been extended. The body has been wrapped in a deep satin black finish with gold accent lighting, and the roof fully retractable on command. Yes, a retractable roof that exposes a sunken jacuzzi surrounded by teakwood decking, LED D-lit drink holders, and panoramic glass barriers that keep the wind out. But the view in this RV doesn't just look tough. It's armored, weatherproofed, and loaded with off-grid tech. Solar panels on the roof, satellite communication, self-leveling hydraulic legs. It's built to dominate both highways and remote mountainsides. Now the interior ... The moment the automated steps slide out and the glass door opens, you're welcomed by marble floors, ambient ceiling lights, and walls finished with hand-stitched leather and carbon fiber accents. The lower floor features a full chef-grade kitchen with a touchscreen induction cooktop, smart oven, and voice-activated espresso machine across from it. A living room with a drop-down cinema screen, built-in recliners with massage functions, and a surround sound system that rivals most IMAX theaters. And yes, it's all voice-controlled. Lights, temperature, curtains, TV, everything responds to the onboard AI assistant named Atlas. Take the elevator, or yes, the actual hydraulic glass elevator, to the upper floor, and you'll find yourself in a master suite with a king-size rotating bed that automatically points toward the sunrise. There's a walk-in closet. It's a marble bathroom with a rainfall shower and heated mirrors. But the crown jewel, floor-to-ceiling retractable glass walls that open onto the jacuzzi deck. Imagine soaking in a rooftop hot tub while parked on a cliff edge in Yosemite. Unreal. Now for the part that truly blows minds. Beneath the RV is a hidden hydraulic lift system that stores and deploys a custom electric supercar styled like a Bugatti, but built specifically to match the Kenworth's look and branding. With the press of a button, the garage opens and the platform slides out, revealing the sleek supercar tucked neatly under the chassis. It charges using the RV's solar setup and can go 0 to 60 in under 3.2 seconds. So, what does this rolling mansion cost? Estimated value, $9.7 million. And that's before you add custom requests like built-in drones, bulletproof glass, or onboard security systems. This isn't just an RV8's statement. A lifestyle, and maybe even the future of ultra-luxury travel. Let me know in the comments, if you had $10 million, would you buy this over a yacht or private jet? And don't forget, more mind-blowing RV reviews are on the way. NMR3. Forget everything you thought you knew about semi-trucks, because the 2026 Kenworth T20A isn't pulling a trailer, is the trailer. It's the hotel, the penthouse, the spa, all wrapped into a jaw-dropping double-decker luxury motorhome that looks like it came from the year 2080. You're about to witness one of the most insane truck-to-RV transformations ever made. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a full-blown reinvention of the American road legend from the outside. The familiar aerodynamic lines of the T20A are still there, but stretched, widened, and armored with carbon-reinforced panels. The paint is a custom liquid titanium finish that changes shades depending on the sunlight, paired with smart lighting that automatically syncs with the environment: city mode, off-road mode, night stealth. This RV even has lighting modes: look closer, and the side panels open up to reveal outdoor kitchens, fold-out lounge decks, and a concealed drone landing pad. But that's just the beginning. Inside the lower level, it's pure first-class engineering. Soon as the biometric entry system recognizes your fingerprint, the door glides open to a full smart home on wheels. The living area is draped in suede paneling, brushed copper finishes, and hidden old displays. It's like walking into a private jet cabin with twice the space and better Wi-Fi. V got a voice-activated kitchen with AI meal presets, a full wine cooler, and cabinets that open and close silently with a wave of your hand. Across the room is a floating fireplace, a 100-inch projector screen, and massaging recliners that auto-adjust to your posture. The entire floor is heated. Every single inch. A curved staircase or the glass hydraulic elevator takes you to the second level. Yes, you heard that right. This Kenworth RV has 2 full floors, and the upper deck is just as wild. The front hosts a master bedroom that rivals most apartments' panoramic windows, a bed that auto-rotates toward the sunrise, and a built-in scent system that adjusts based on your mood settings. There's also a sky lounge with a full minibar, a digital aquarium wall, And blackout ceiling panels that simulate any night sky in the world slide back the ceiling, and the magic happens because on the rear deck sits a fully functional jacuzzi. Surrounded by LED-lit glass and retractable privacy screens, here's the twist beneath the RV. A hidden hydraulic garage opens to reveal a matching electric hypercar built exclusively for the T20A. With a max speed of 230 miles per hour and self-parking capability. At CHF, will PHF, Ruby Kiss, Ruby Kiss, only Ruby Kiss. Only Ruby Kiss has the luxurious texture that glides on CHKs. And Live CH like Milliscade Rewise ATC. DHF will Livescade/Alive. E charges from the RV's solar array and auto-syncs with the onboard system. So your ride is always ready when you are. Let's be clear, this isn't just an RV. It's a mobile tech fortress designed for billionaires, entertainers. A next-gen Nomad's price tag is over $8.5 million. Depending on the custom features, some owners have even added bulletproof glass, onboard gyms, private VR theaters, and remote security drones. What Kenworth has done here is not just build a truck, they've reimagined freedom on the road with 2 levels. Smart everything and full luxury. Would you live in this instead of a mansion? Add us in the comments, and if you're new here, subscribe for more mind-blowing RV reviews that make reality feel like science fiction. Today, buckle up, because what you're about to see is unlike anything on the road right now. This isn't just a motorhome. This is a 2-level futuristic luxury RV from 2026 that redefines how we think about mobile living. At first glance, it might look like a sleek spaceship on wheels. But the real shock comes when you step inside. Right through the automated sliding doors, you're greeted by a glowing floor made from impact-resistant glass that lights up as you walk the lower deck. It's designed like a modern smart home. Heated marble floors, voice-activated lighting, and a living area with a retractable 85-inch old screen that folds out of the ceiling. Not a single inch of space wasted. But here's where things get wild. Hidden behind what looks like a decorative panel is a full-sized elevator. Yes, an elevator inside the RV quietly lifts you to the upper floor. And that's where the luxury turns extreme. The second level is all about indulgence. There's a panoramic glass roof, a full lounge with massage recliners. Get this, a heated rooftop jacuzzi with a motorized privacy canopy that opens with a tap on your smartwatch. Right next to it, mini fire pit and a retractable drone landing pad. And just when you think that's all, press a button under the counter in the lounge bar. And an entire section of the RV slides out, revealing a hidden garage underneath. The main floor? That's right. This RV hides a compact electric car that charges directly from the vehicle's solar panel roof system. Under the hood, it's no slouch either. Powered by a hybrid twin-motor setup, this beast delivers smooth, electric lighting in cities and roaring diesel torque for long hauls without a sound inside. Thanks to active noise cancellation. The kitchen, fully AI-controlled. It cooks, refrigerates, and cleans itself. Even the coffee machine recognizes your voice and starts brewing your favorite drink before you finish asking. The master bedroom on the first level has a king-size bed, mood lighting, synced to your heart rate, and walls that change color with a gesture. This RV isn't just luxury, it's living technology. Built for celebrities, billionaires, and those who want the road without sacrifice. And yes, it comes with a built-in security system featuring facial recognition and a panic mode that turns all windows opaque instantly. So, what's the price tag on this mobile palace? Over $9 million. And every cent looks like it went into something jaw-dropping. Still think RVs are just cramped boxes on wheels? Hit that like button if this blew your mind. Drop a comment below what feature shocked you the most. And don't forget to subscribe, because the last motorhome we reviewed had a rooftop jacuzzi. and a hidden garage. But what if I told you the 2026 double camper we're diving into today takes things even further? This isn't just another RV. This is Double Trouble 2-floor luxury camper designed to shock, flex, and redefine off-grid living. And yes, it's packing more hidden features than a luxury penthouse. From the outside, it might look like a high-end expedition rig with reinforced aluminum panels and futuristic LED tracers running across its body. But the second you hit the biometrics scanner and step in, everything changes. The first floor is where tech meets elegance. You're greeted by smart glass walls that turn opaque with a voice command. The flooring is anti-slip volcanic composite, both durable and heated. A floating modular sofa wraps around the space, facing a fireplace and a hidden 90-inch screen that slides up from the floor. It's not a living area, it's a high-tech cinema lounge on wheels. And what's tucked behind that curved wall? Rotating smart kitchen. It literally shifts depending on use grill, induction, or bar mode. AI-assisted cooking, self-cleaning surfaces, and yes, even a retractable herb garden built right into the wall. Everything's voice-activated and TOUCHSCREEN-controlled. Now, here's where it goes wild. You tap the center console and a spiral elevator lifts you to the second level of full-height upper deck with panoramic glass ceilings, ambient lighting, and a second lounge with heated floors, soundproof glass, and reclining zero-gravity chairs. The hidden features. Let's count. First, a fold-out workspace with holographic display, perfect for remote creators or CEOs on the go. Second, a full wet room spa, complete with rainfall, shower, steam function, smart aromatherapy. Third, a transforming master. Bedroom walls slide back. Bed rotates toward the glass roof for stargazing. And hidden panels open into extra storage, a wardrobe, and even a concealed mini fridge. And guess what's hidden in the floor of the second level? A pop-up drone bay for aerial scouting, filming, or deliveries. Yes, this RV launches drones. Underneath it all, the camper runs on a hybrid hydrogen-electric drivetrain with regenerative solar panels across the entire roof. Silent, powerful, and off-grid, ready for up to 30 days without external power. Even the chassis hides surprises. There's a retractable deck under the RV with fold-out seating, an outdoor kitchen, and a mini fire pit, remote-controlled, with a price tag north of $8.5 million. It's designed for the elite, but it's also pushing boundaries the entire RV industry will chase for years. So the question is this still a camper? Or the future of travel itself? Hit that like button if your jaw dropped at least once. Drop a comment below and tell me what feature blew your mind the most. And if you're into insane machines that feel like they were built for another planet, make sure to subscribe because this is just the beginning.